Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to present you some more older sets. I already presented you the big trucks, and here we have four other older sets with three-digit numbers. So back in the days when Lego thought of maybe making 999 sets or maybe 1000 sets, depending on if we start with the 0 or with the 1. So let's go through the sets. Here we have the set called Swiss Villa in blue and red. I don't know why anybody wants a villa in that colors, but here we have the set is called Construction. It's for loading some trucks or something. I will demonstrate later. And it's also in blue and red. And here we have the car with a trailer and a race car on it. And here we have some tipper, I think, with a loader. So, where shall we start? No, we start with the more luxurious things. So here we have the race car. Or kind of. Maybe it's not street legal, that's why it's transported on a trailer. And here we have the trailer. It's a very interesting piece. And the car in the front with a Legoland riding on it. So, very lovely set. Maybe move that to the front a bit so we can have a closer look at the Swiss Villa. So, of course, a villa needs a balcony. And just lovely arches. But this villa is missing a garage for the car. No, even here the car doesn't fit. But we can close the windows if we want. So, I think this sets we combine really good. So let's have a look at the construction set. Here we have a conveyor belt and a truck included. You can turn it around so you see everything, but it looks a bit similar from front to back, so it's not much a difference. And we can unload that truck. And here's a hinge, so it's easier to unload. Ah, this one fits. Lovely. Not much space left. Can store the truck here. So let's have a look if it works. And needs a little help. Maybe a little more. So now the white bricks are going up. And in the other truck. Yeah, it needs a bit help. So we can move forward. And all the bricks are now in this truck. So that's the whole magic of that. And here we have the small loader. It's like a very basic excavator. Made with 2 inches. This one we can tip. So that's it for today. Have a lovely day and see you soon.